straight to the latest track of Tropical Storm Isaias. This is News 6 at 11. I'm Lisa Bell.
And I'm Ginger Gadsden in for Matt Austin. Florida is in the projected path of the storm. Chief Meteorologist Tom Searles is standing by with a brand new 11 o'clock advisory. Tom.
Okay, it doesn't look like the healthiest of storms. It really does not, but it's got a lot of convection going on. And once it wraps back around, could become a quick strengthener unless a little bit of shear does a number on the storm. We'll talk about that, but I know you're waiting to see the track. So here you go. Path to projected movement looks remarkably the same. Hasn't changed much since 5 o'clock this afternoon. Wind is still maintained at 60 miles per hour, gusting to 70. Comes to the Bahamas for the most part as a tropical storm. Gets away from the shear, turns into a Category 1 hurricane Saturday morning. Spends Saturday, Sunday racing just off the Florida coastline, and then zips up to the Carolina coast by Monday afternoon and threatens folks up in the Northeast at the end of its life. Our important part here is right here. The Cape out to a Category 1 hurricane Sunday morning is still only about 60 miles. So any fluctuation changes the entire forecast. I'll be right back in a few minutes. We'll talk about the models that led them to do this forecast run. And we'll talk about the rain that we've had tonight. Scattered showers have been out there. We'll also show you where there are watches and warnings and why we don't have them yet. See you in a few.
Thanks, Tom.